solve dy by dx equal to 2x plus 9y minus 20 by 6 plus 2y minus 10 minus dy by dx equal to 2x plus 9y minus 20 by 6x plus 2y minus 10. Therefore, this is also in the form of ax plus by plus c by a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash. Non-homogeneous dE with a by a dash is not equal to b by b dash. 2 by 6 is not equal to 9 by 6. That is non-homogeneous dE. That implies put x equal to small x equal to capital X plus h, small y equal to capital Y plus k. Small x equal to capital X plus h, small y equal to capital Y plus k. Therefore, problem becomes d small x equal to d capital X, d small y equal to d capital Y. Therefore, d capital Y by d capital X equal to 2 into x plus h plus 9 into y plus k minus 20 by 6 into x plus h plus 2 into y plus k minus 10. That implies dy by dx equal to 2x plus 9y 2h plus 9k minus 20, 6x plus 2y plus 6h plus 2k minus 10. Therefore, constant term becomes 0. That implies 2h plus 9k minus 20 equal to 0, 6h plus 2k minus 10 equal to 0. Solving these two, k coefficient first 9, constant minus 20, h coefficient 2, again k coefficient. K coefficient 2, constant minus 10, h coefficient 6, 2, h, k, 1, h by AD minus BC, minus 90 plus 80, k by minus 120 plus 20, 1 by 4 minus 54, 1 by 4 minus 54. That is h by minus 10, k by minus 100, 1 by minus 50. That implies h comma k equal to h equal to minus 10 by minus 150, 1 by 5, k equal to minus 100 by minus 50, 2, h equal to 1 by 5, k equal to 2. Therefore, problem becomes dy by dx equal to 2x plus 9y by 6x plus 2y. That is homogeneous dE. Non-homogeneous is converted to homogeneous dE because put x equal to capital X plus h, y equal to capital Y plus k. This is means in 1b, mass 1b, transformation of axis, change of axis, transformation of origin must be changed to h comma k. Then small x equal to capital X h, small y equal to capital Y plus k. 2 into capital X plus h, 9 into capital Y plus k, 6 into capital X plus h, 2 into capital Y plus k. Therefore, this equation becomes 2x plus 9y remaining constant, 6x plus 2y remaining constants. This part becomes 0 because non-homogeneous converted to homogeneous. Therefore, these two parts equal to 0. We can solve these equations YCX method. We get h equal to 1 by 5, k equal to minus 2, plus 2. Okay. Now, dy by dx equal to 2x plus 9y by 6x plus 2y, homogeneous dE. Therefore, put y equal to Vx. That implies dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Therefore, v plus x into dv by dx equal to 2x plus 9vx by 6x plus 2vx. x cancel, 2 plus 9v by 6 plus 2v. X common out cancel, 2 plus 9v by 6 plus 2v. That is problem number 8. Converted to non-homogeneous to homogeneous. Next, homogeneous. X into dv by dx equal to 2 plus 9v by 6 plus 2v minus v. X into dv by dx equal to LCM 2 plus 9v minus 6v minus 2v square by 6 plus 2v. That implies variable separable. 6 plus 2v by 2 plus 3v minus 2v square dv equal to integral dx by x. Cross multiplication. Minus common out. 2v plus 6 by 2v square minus 3v minus 2 dv minus common out minus dx by x, or multiplying on both sides with minus sign. We get minus 2 minus 3v plus 2v square. 2 2's 4. Factorization. 2v plus 6 by minus 4v plus v. 2v, v minus 2. 2v plus 1, v minus 2. 2v plus 1, v minus 2, because 2v square minus 3v minus 2, that is the 2 to 4. 2v square minus 4v plus v minus 2. 2v common out, v minus 2. 1 common out, v minus 2. v minus 2 common out, 2v plus 1, v minus 2. Partial fractions. Next, minus dx by x. Okay. H comma k, 1 by 5 comma 2. Now, step is partial fractions. Take 2v plus 4 by 2v plus 1 into v minus 2. That is a by first factor, b by second factor. LCM. 2v plus 4 by 2v plus 1, v minus 2 equal to a into v minus 2 plus b into 2v plus 1 by LCM v minus 2 into 2v plus 1. Denominators cancel. Put v equal to minus 1 by 2. We get 2 into minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 plus 4, 3. Minus 1 by 2 minus 2. Minus 5 by 2 a. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 cancel, 0. Okay. That implies a equal to minus 6 by 5. Next, put v equal to 2. We get 4, 8 equal to 0 plus 5b. That implies b equal to 8 by 5. b equal to 8 by 5. Therefore, problem becomes 2v plus 4 means a by 2v plus 1 minus 6 by 5 by 2v plus 1 plus b by v minus 2 dv minus 6 by 5 dv equal to minus dx by x. A equal to minus 6 by 5, b equal to 8 by 5, because partial fractions. A by first factor plus b by second factor. Taking LCMs cancel. Put v equal to minus 1 by 2, this part 0. Minus 1 by 2 minus 2. Minus 5 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 into 2. Minus 1 plus 4, 3. That implies a equal to minus 6 by 5. Next, b equal to, substitute in a, this one. Put v equal to 2. We get b equal to 8 by 5. Integral 2 by 2v plus 1. 8 by 5 common out. Integral 1 by v minus 2 dv minus log x plus constant log c, because 1 by x integral log x minus 3 by 5 f dash x by f of x log mod f of x 8 by 5 log mod v minus 2, because 1 by x model log c by x. Now v equal to y by x minus 3 by 5 log 2y by x plus 1 plus 8 by 5 log modulus y by x minus 2 log c by x. X LCM log 2y plus x by x plus 8 by 5 log y minus 2x by x log c by x. Therefore, put x equal to x plus h, y equal to y plus k. That implies capital X equal to x minus h, capital X equal to x minus h equal to 1 by 5. Capital Y equal to y minus k, k equal to y minus k, that is y minus 2. Substitute these values in this equation, we get minus 3 by 5 log 2y, y means y minus 2, x means x minus 1 by 5, here also x minus 1 by 5 plus 8 by 5 log y means y minus 2, minus 2 into x minus 1 by 5 by x minus 1 by 5 equal to log c by x minus 1 by 5. Okay? X equal to x minus h, x minus 1 by 4, y equal to y minus k, y minus 2. Substitute in this equation, we get solution of the given dE. Given dE 2x plus 9y minus 20 by 6x plus 2y minus 10. That is non-homogeneous dE. That is non-homogeneous dE. Non-homogeneous dE converted to homogeneous dE. Then put y equal to Vx. Then that equation becomes integral 2 by 2v plus 1 integral 1 by v minus 2 dv equal to minus log x plus log c. Okay. In that process we get in terms of ways. Therefore, v equal to y by x. V equal to y by x. Next, this equation in terms of capital X and capital Y. Capital X and capital Y. Now, capital X equal to small x minus h, because starting point small x equal to capital X plus h, that implies capital X equal to small x minus h equal to 1 by 5, capital X equal to small x minus 1 by 5. Alage small y equal to capital Y equal to small y minus k, because small y equal to capital Y plus k, capital Y equal to small y minus k, y minus 2. Substitute in this equation minus 3 by 5 log 2 into y minus 2 plus x minus 1 by 5 by x minus 1 by 5 plus 8 by 5 log y minus 2 x equal to x minus 1 by 5 by x equal to x minus 1 by 4. Here also x equal to x minus 1 by 5. Okay? 5 LCM. If 5 LCM we get minus 3 by 5 log 5 to 10, 10 by 5 to 10 minus 20, minus 20 minus 1, minus 21 by 5. 5 cancel, 5x minus 1. Here also 5 LCM, 8 by 5 log 5y minus 10, 5y minus 10 plus 2 minus 8 minus 10x by 5x minus 1 equal to 5 LCM, 5c capital C by 5x minus 1. That is solution of dE, 8th one. Solution of dE 2x plus 9y minus 20 by 6x plus 2y minus 10. Differential equations. Linear differential equations. Linear differential equations. Linear differential equation is of the form d nth derivative of y by d x power n d p1 into d n minus 1 y by d x power n minus 1 plus p2 into d n minus 2 y by d x power n minus 2 up to dy by dx plus y p n into d nth power derivative p dy by dx plus y equal to 0. Okay, nth derivative p n y last p n y equal to q. Okay, equal to q or r. Anyhow, d nth derivative of y by dx power n p1 into d nth derivative of n minus 1 by dx power n minus 1 p2 and so on p n y equal to q is called linear differential equation of degree 1 and order and nth order, where p1 p2 p3 up to pn comma q are constants or functions in x. Constants are functions in x. Functions in x. Constants are functions in x. In x only. Okay? This function is called a linear differential equation of degree 1, order nth order. Degree 1, order nth order. Okay? Here p1, p2, p3, pn up to pn and q are constants or functions in x only. Here y is dependent variable, x is independent variable. This form is called linear DE of degree 1. Now we study about linear differential equation of order 1. Order 1. That means dy by dx plus py equal to q. dy by dx plus py equal to q, where p and q are constants are functions in x only. Functions in x only. Okay, dy by dx plus py equal to q. dy by dx plus py equal to q. Okay, this is linear differential equation of first order. Okay, of degree 1. Now we solve this equation by multiplying on both sides. Multiplying e power integral p dx. That means this is integrating factor. Okay, multiply e power integral p dx dy by dx plus py into e power integral p dx q into e power integral p dx. This means e power integral p dx, okay, dy by dx, e power integral p dx constant y into integral e power p dx. E power p dx means p into e power integral p dx dy by dx. Okay, this means d by dx of y into integral p dx. Okay, uv rule, d by dx of uv rule, u equal to y, v equal to e power integral p dx. d by dx of uv, u into v dash, v into u dash, v into u dash, u into v dash. That is q into e power integral p dx. Now integrating on both sides. Now integrating on both sides, integral dy dx of y into e power integral p dx equal to integral q into e power integral p dx. Okay, that implies y into e power integral p dx equal to integral q into e power integral p dx plus c. That is solution of given dy by dx plus py equal to q. That is y into integral e power integral p dx equal to integral q into e power integral p dx plus c. That is linear differential equation of first method, dy by dx plus py equal to q. dy by dx plus py equal to q. Solution is y into integral e power p dx equal to integral q into e power p dx plus c. That means y into if integrating factor equal to integral q into if integrating factor dx plus c. Okay, that is solution of dy by dx plus py plus q. If second method, second one, this is first one, dx by dy plus p into x equal to q. Here p comma q are constants or functions in y. Then solution is x into if equal to integral q into if dy plus c. That means whereas if integrating factor is if is e power integral p dy. Here if is e power integral p dx. Here if is e power integral p dy, because function is in the form of dx by dy plus px equal to q. That means p comma q are functions in y. Here p comma q are functions in x. Okay, dy by dx plus py equal to q. Here p comma q are functions in x, and integrating factor if is e power integral p dx. Okay, e power integral p dx. Here y into if equal to integral q into integral q into if dx plus c. Here x into if integral q into if dy plus c. Because here p and q are functions in y. Here p and q are functions in x. Here y. Therefore solution is x into if equal to integral q into if dy plus c. Okay, that is two linear equations. First one dy by dx plus py equal to q. Second one dx by dy plus px equal to q. Here p comma q are functions in y. Here p comma q are functions in x. Here if is e power integral p dx. Here if is e power integral p dy, integrating factor. Here solution is y into if equal to integral q into if dx plus c. Here solution is x into if equal to integral q into if dy plus c. That is linear differential equation method. Okay. Next, page number 341, problem number 1. 341, problem 1. Transform the differential equation into linear form. Transform differential equation x log x dy by dx plus y equal to 2 log x into linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. That implies dy by dx. Here x log is common out. Dy by dx plus y x log x equal to 2 log x by x log x, because dividing on both sides x log x, dividing on both sides x log x, we get dy by dx y by x log x equal to 2 by x. That is in the form of dy by dx p of x into y equal to q of x is linear dE. Linear dE. Okay? dy by dx term x log x. Therefore, dividing on both sides x log x. Dividing on both sides x log x. Next, second one. Transform x plus 2y cube dy by dx, x plus 2y cube dy by dx equal to y into linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. Now dy by dx equal to y by, or converting right side, dx by dy equal to x plus 2y cube by y. That implies dx by dy minus x by y equal to 2y square. Therefore, dx by dy plus p of y into x equal to q of y. That is linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. Here dy by dx not possible. Therefore, cross multiplication we get dx by dy equal to x plus 2y cube by y. That is x by y plus 2y square. That implies dx by dy minus x by y equal to 2y square. Here p of y equal to minus 1 by y, q of y equal to 2y square. That is linear dE of second kind. Okay. Next, of IF of cos x into dy by dx, cos x into dy by dx plus y sin x equal tan x, plus y sin x equal to tan x. Now dividing on both sides cos x, we get dy by dx y sin x by tan x, tan x by cos x. Therefore, this is of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. Here p of x is, here integrating factor if equal to e power integral p dx. E power integral p of x is tan x dx. That is e power integral tan x log mod secant x. E power log something, that is secant x. That is IF, integrating factor. Okay. Dividing on both sides cos x, we get dy by dx plus y tan x equal to tan x by cos x. Therefore, p of x equal tan x, q of x equal tan x by cos x. IF equal to e power integral p dx, that is e power integral tan x dx, that is e power log secant x. E power log something equal to something, that is secant x. Next, second one, 2x minus 10y cube, 2x minus 10y cube into dy by dx plus y equal to 0, plus y equal to 0. That implies find IF, integrating factor. That implies 2x minus 10y cube dy by dx equal to minus y. 2x minus 10y cube dy by dx equal to minus y. That implies dx by dy equal to by y minus 2x by y plus 10y cube by y. Dx by dy, okay, plus 2x by y equal to 10y square. This is of the form dx by dy plus p of y into x equal to q of y, where p of y equal to 2 by y. Therefore, integrating factor e power integral p dy, e power integral 2 by y dy, e power 2 log y, e power log y square, that is if equal to y square, if equal to y square, that is 2x minus 10y cube dy by dx plus y equal to 0. And we can find out integrating factor. That means 2x minus 10y cube dy by dx equal to minus 5, dx by dy equal to minus 2x by y plus 10y cube by y. Dx by dy plus 2x by y equal to 10y square. This is in the form of linear differential equation. Linear dE. Dx by dy, p of y into x, q of y. Here p of y equal to 2 by y, if equal to e power integral p dy, e power integral 2 by y dy, e power 2 log y, e power log y square, that is y square. If equal to y square. Next, this is second linear dE. Therefore, in terms of y, if, this is first linear, this is in terms of x. Because here p comma q are in terms of x, here p comma q are in terms of y. Okay. Solve 1 plus x square dy by dx plus 2xy minus 4x square equal to 0 plus 2xy minus 4x square equal to 0. Given dA, given differential equation is 1 plus x square dy by dx plus 2xy minus 4x square equal to 0. Therefore, dividing on both sides 1 plus x square, we get dy by dx plus 2xy by 1 plus x square equal to 4x square by 1 plus x square. Okay, dividing on both sides 1 plus x square. Therefore, this is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. This is linear differential equation, where p of x equal to y coefficient 2x by 1 plus x square, q of x equal to 4x square by 1 plus x square. Okay, dividing on both sides 1 plus x square, this is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. Here p of x equal to 2x by 1 plus x square, q of x equal to 4x square by 1 plus x square. Next, integrating factor if equal to e power integral p dx, e power integral 2x by 1 plus x square dx, because p equal to 2x by 1 plus x square, e power integral f dash x by f of x log mod f of x, e power log something, that is 1 plus x square, if equal to 1 plus x square, that is integrating factor. Integrating factor. If means integrating factor is 1 plus x square. Now, solution is y into if equal to integral q into if dx, because this is linear DE of first kind in terms of x terms. P comma q are in terms of x. That is y into if means 1 plus x square, q means 4x square by 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square if dx. 1 plus x square 1 plus x square cancel. Y into 1 plus x square equal to 4x square dx plus c, here plus c, plus c, plus c. Y into 1 plus x square equal to 4x cube by 3 plus c. 4x cube by 3 plus c, that is DE. Solution of given differential equation. Okay, that means LCM we get 3y into 1 plus x square equal to 4x cube plus 4c. That is solution of given DE. First of all, given DE, solve 1 plus x square dy by dx plus 2xy minus 4x square equal to 0. Only we have only dy by dx, because dy by dx coefficient is 1. We can make dy by dx coefficient of dy by dx is 1. Therefore, dy by dx dividing on both sides 1 plus x square, 2xy by 1 plus x square, 4x square by 1 plus x square. This is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. Linear differential equation in terms of p of x and q of x, where p of x equal to 2x by 1 plus x square, q of x is 4x square by 1 plus x square. if equal to e power integral p dx, e power integral p means 2x by 1 plus x square dx, f dash x by f of x model, log mod f of x, e power log something, that's something 1 plus x square. if is, integrating factor is 1 plus x square. Now solution is y into if equal to integral q into if dx plus c. if is 1 plus x square, q of x is 4x square by 1 plus x square dx plus c. 1 plus x square 1 plus x square cancel, 4x square means 4x cube by 3, cross multiplication. We get solution of given differential equation. Okay. Next, sixth one. Solve 1 by x dy by dx, 1 by x dy by dx plus y into e power x plus y into e power x, 1 by x dy by dx plus y into e power x equal to e power 1 minus x into e power x, 1 minus x into e power x. Different గా ఉంచండి. 1 by x into dy by dx plus y into e power x equal to e power 1 minus x into e power x. Now multiplying on both sides with x, we get dy by dx plus y into x into e power x, x into e power 1 minus x, e power x. Okay, this is of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. Linear DE, linear differential equation is of the form 348, where p of x equal to x into e power x, q of x equal to e power x into e power 1 minus x e power x, x into e power 1 minus x e power x, 1 minus x into e power x. Therefore, integrating factor if equal to e power integral p of x dx, e power integral x into e power x dx, e power integral x into e power x minus e power x, because integral x into e power x by parts rule, integral x into e power x by parts rule. that is x into integral e power x dx minus d by dx of x into integral e power x. Integral e power x, e power x. D by dx of x1. Integral e power x, e power x. Again integral e power x. Okay, therefore x into e power x minus e power x. That is e power minus e power x common out. 1 minus x into e power x. That is if. Therefore, solution is of the form y into if integral q into if dx plus c. Y into if. Y into e power x minus 1 into e power x. Q means x into e power 1 minus x e power x. If means e power minus 1 minus x e power x dx plus e power plus 3 minus 3 cancel. Y into e power x minus 1 e power x. This cancel x square by 2 plus c. Okay, this part e power plus 3 minus 3 cancel. Integral x means x square by 2 plus c. That implies cross multiplication we get 2y into e power x minus 1 into e power x plus x square plus 2c. Okay, that is solution of given dE 1 by x dy by dx 1 by x dy by dx plus y into e power x e power 1 minus x into e power x. Multiplying on both sides x we get y into x into e power x into e power 1 minus x e power x. This is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x, linear dE, where p of x is x into e power x, q of x is x into e power 1 minus x into e power x. If integrating factor e power integral p of x dx, e power integral x into e power x dx, e power x into e power x minus e power x. Because integral x into e power x formula by Bart's rule, we get x minus 1 into e power x. If is e power minus common 1 minus x into e power x. This is linear differential equation of first kind. Therefore, solution is y into 1 if equal to integral q into if dx plus c. If substitution e power 1 by x minus 1 into e power x. This one cancel. Integral x means x square by 2. That is solution of problem number 6. Next,